let's unbox Ross. Let's see what I got here. I got my receipts in here. This is some different bag. Not using that. Alright. So let's see. Where's the receipts? I don't know what I did to the receipt. I guess this is all I got from Ross. Alright, okay, that will do. That's good, that's okay. Anyway, alright. So I got this at Ross. And I'm on a diet right now, so I'm not gonna go eat this, but pretty much main thing, it's gonna be just my content. That looks really good. Okay, so I got this brownies, and I found this, and like, I gotta go get this. So it's just something for to make shorts videos. This one, I think I'm gonna end up returning this one. I mean, this is only $7, but I found kind of like similar to this, a little bit cheaper, and compared to this, it's probably still the same. But I don't need this, so I think I'm gonna end up returning this back. So I just gotta go find my receipts. As long as you have a receipt and you really have not opened it, then you're, look at me, I'm already saying I'm going to return it, but I don't need it, but I don't know. I'm just saying that I will return. Okay, let's just see if we open this right here. See if we can just open this and okay, gotcha. Alright. Okay, see how this goes. I have no idea. this right here, like all the woods that it's made, just reminds me of the Philippines. So it's really nice. I like the woods on my cooking for your salad, but anything in the wood, like your cooking utensils and stuff, it's I like it. So for my bag, for that bag, it's only, this is all I have for that. Just these few things here. Not a whole lot, guys. But this is pretty much just gonna be for my for my shorts content. But I'm gonna try not to eat it because I'm definitely I'm on my special diet. So I'm not gonna add no calories right now with me, but you know, I'm gonna just keep it for content. So anyway, so this is it for this this unboxing. I'll see you guys later.